What's good, and good morning from Canada. Hope everybody's doing well. We're gonna go over our friend Matic. Currently we are sitting at 76 cents, down 8.9 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 6.08 billion, and the 24-hour volume is 798 million. Come down quite a bit, the 24-hour volume. We were up at around 2.1 billion. But that's perfectly okay. Let's hop into the charts. We're going to start here on the 1 hour. So we broke down from our symmetrical wedge pattern. Now we've almost come down to the 0.5, which is sitting at 73 cents. That is the maximum retracement for a wave 4. It could wick down, wick down to the 0.618, come back up. But if we break down to the 0.618, especially if we lose the golden ratio, it invalidates that as a wave 4 pullback, and we lose the golden ratio. That's when you can come down to the 0.786, and usually a higher likelihood you're going to come all the way back down to where you started at about 52 cents. But as of right now, we're seeing healthy pullback. This is exactly what you want to see after you've seen an explosive move. You do want to see some pullback in the market. Now, you do have a technical target that would bring you right down to the golden ratio at 67 cents from this symmetrical triangle. So just something to keep in mind. If we pop over to our next chart here, which is on the daily, we've broken down from our bull flag. So this is an invalidated pattern here, but it's perfectly healthy what Matic is doing here. If we scroll back, so as you can see right here, we had an explosive move, and then you saw a retracement, and then you saw a continuation, you saw a retracement, continuation, retracement, and then continuation, and then we started to create lower highs and lower lows, and that signifies the start of a downtrend. But as of right now, we've exploded to the upside. We saw a retracement, we exploded once again, and right now we're going through a retracement. So it's perfectly healthy in an uptrend to be seeing this. If we were to come all the way down here and lose this level of support, if we came all the way down, lose 57 cents, then I do think we'd come all the way back down and put in a lower low, which is quite possible. But as of right now, we're holding this support coming in at about 75 cents. You can see support in this area, previous resistance. There was support here, support in this area as well. So that's a pretty strong level of support for Matic, and could give us a good opportunity to bounce back to the upside. If we do bounce, resistance to watch $1.04 and about $1.16. And to keep our wave count valid here, we need to see a bounce off about 73 cents. Put in that wave 4 pullback and see that wave 5 continuation up to our target here, which is coming in. Oh, let me drop the 3 back down. Coming in between about $1.07 to about $1.20, $1.22. Put in that wave 4 pullback and see your final wave 5. If we complete this larger 5-wave structure, that could be more confirmation that the bottom may be in for Matic. Personally, I don't think it's a likely scenario. I still think Bitcoin's going to come down to 11 to 13K, as I've been mentioning. And if that does happen, Matic could easily come down and break this low, which would be good for me. I'd definitely be looking at DCA. Even if we start to see some significant pullback here, I will be looking to add to my deep DCA position for my long-term hold for Matic. As I mentioned, I only have 5% of my total allocation in Matic right now, so I am looking for lower prices. But in the short term, we are respecting our wave count here, so we can still see a beautiful push up to this target zone of about $1.08 to $1.22. The only way to invalidate that is to come down and lose 67 cents, the golden ratio, and then we may start coming back down to where we started at about 52 cents. Big shout out to the Discord. If you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits, it's $10 until the end of the month, and then it's going to be bumped up to $25. If you get in now, you can stay at $10 for life. Recently gave a trade signal for Ethereum, which has been playing out. If I quickly pop over in the chart here for ETH, this triple top on the 4 hour. We also had bearish divergence on our indicators. You can see that broke the neckline and on the way to the technical target. Now, if you did take this trade, of course, you can take profits along the way, or reduce risk by moving down your stop loss if you took it in the Discord. And the technical target's about 13.24. We recently locked in some juicy gains on our Gala trade, locked in 50%. You can see this huge gain, 70% gain on Gala. So if you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits for my leverage trades, for my spot trades, you want to see what I'm doing with my HODL alt positions, it's $10 until the end of the month, and then it's going to be bumped up to $25. So get in while you can if you'd like to. And we also have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And you can sign up through the Patreon link if you want to trade with me. Sign up to Bybit, $4,500 in bonuses, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.